Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this product for unboxing, reviewing and testing. SILVERCREST kitchen tools. This is the Panini grill, low fat contact grilling for meat, fish or vegetables. Great for making paninis, toasties and more. Variable thermostat. iLac non-stick Swiss technology Cornflon Ultra. 2000 watt, roast free stainless steel, 3 years warranty from Lidl. Let's open it to see what do we have inside, of course. And where's the manual? Where's the manual? If you want to read it, of course, you know, you can read it, you do whatever you want. Nice packaging. Here it is. Movable plate that it will help to toast better or you cook. We got the lock and unlock mechanism. Lock it, not going anywhere, unlock it, goes on. Power ready, minute, minimum and max. Nice material. This is for the oil and the fat reservoir. You can, everything goes here, very easy. This is for cleaning. Very useful tool. I like it. Plates are not removable, but iLac it says is no sticky. Well, let's see if that is true. Let's go and cook something. And here we are. Of course, you can make 4 toast here. Very easy with a small or a bigger bread. I will do only 2. I prefer with tomatoes, just like that. Of course, you need to increase the temperature. You can put it here because only it is a toast. I can feel it already is getting hot. And after a few seconds, now you can close it. As it's warming up more, we can push it further. And leave it. Just wait. And after a while, you can hear the sound of the cheese that is just melting. And if you want to look, voila! I think we are ready. Two beautiful toasts. The cheese. Well, next I'm going to cook some meat. Let's see how it can handle. And here we are. I have my secret sauce and some meat here, chicken meat. And let's put it on max now. Wait a few seconds to be ready. And this is my secret sauce. Oh, yummy. Oh, it's hot enough. And if you want, you can put this here. And some chicken. And now if you want, you can close it. And we can back again in a few minutes to see how it goes. Again, it's getting there. Can put a little bit more of the sauce. Of course, if you want, you can turn it around. It's not going to make any difference. Both of the blades has a heat. No, nice, nice, nice. We're getting nice here. Smell nice. Really nice. Well, let's see. Yep. The chicken, I think it needs a little bit more and it's ready. Here you can see everything's go inside here. No dirty, very great, clean work. Yeah, I think the chicken is ready. Can take it out. Let's leave a little bit more. Yes. It's getting close to be ready on this. Oh, let's see. I think this. Yep, I think it's okay. Same here. We're done. Now, need to turn it off. And bon appetit. Yummy, yummy. Well, now, to clean all this, it will be better. Take out that. Drain whatever is inside and then put some water and you will clean it more easy, more faster. You can see what is getting out. Then we can put some water. And now with this, you can just do that. Definitely, it will help you. And here, very easy is getting out. And you can leave it to cool down and clean it more. And with all that, guys, I think that is a pretty damn good SILVERCREST Panini grill for meat, fish, whatever, for toast. I think it's pretty great. It's grilling very nice. Thumbs up. It costs only 35 euros. And with that all, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my video, of course, is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.